If anyone told me I am going to travel so far because of this delicious Ofe Nsala soup, I will not believe it. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in and you are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing another traditional Igbo people food. This food is consumed by the Igbo people and I decided to give it a try and I love it. If you like what you see, kindly subscribe to our channel, put on the notification bell for more video. Thank you.
Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking and life.
Here I have my washed chicken. I'm going to be using hard chicken for this recipe. You can use any protein of your choice, but I learned that chicken is very important for this recipe because it's traditional. And we have similar food, but I'm going to explain that later as the Edos. Here I have my stock fish, very washed and clean. I have my cow skin, which is bonbon. I have my dry fish. I have my cut onions. I have my big shrimps. I have my blended crayfish. I have my cut scotch bonnet pepper. I have my moringa leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice like spinach or uziza. I have my pepper soup spicy, salt and Maggi cube. And this is the start of the day, which is yam. We are going to use yam to prepare this recipe. Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. Here into my clean pot I add the cut chicken. I add my stock fish. I add my pomo. I add my shrimps. I add my scotch bonnet pepper. I add the onions. I have 2 Maggi cube. I will add one first. I add salt. The only thing I miss from this recipe is the ogiribo. I could not find it where I live, so I will add water and stir everything together. Although without that ingredients it still came out perfectly well. This is my first time making this soup and tell me what you think about this soup and how I prepared it. I'm going to add the yam and allow it to cook, then I'll remove it. If it is the Edos, we are going to leave the yam. We are not going to blend it. It's just like the Edos yam pepper soup, yeah, but blending the yam make it different. And I love any food that is tradition like this. Like, they are so easy to prepare. You can prepare them in less than 20 minutes after arranging all the things you want to use. Like, I know this as another traditional Igbo people food. Then when I see people prepare this food, I said, oh my god, which kind Igbo people food be this one? That is because we live in the midst of Igbo people. Anytime they are preparing their food, we tease them, and anytime we are preparing our own, they tease us as well. But Igbo people have rich food anyway. Kudos to all the Igbo people in the house. Here I add the crayfish and the remaining Maggi cube. I add salt and I add pepper soup spicy. I add more pepper because I love pepper in my soup. That scotch bonnet pepper was not enough. Then I add my dry fish. I will add more water because I learned that if this soup is thick, you will not enjoy it. It will become like the Edo's porridge yam, like the traditional Edo porridge yam. And here the yam is well blended. I'm going to add it and I'll cover it to dissolve, and our soup is almost ready. And guys, that vegetable leaf I add, the moringa leaf, is so healthy and it has good benefit. If you know about the leaf, let me know at the comment section. I would love to hear your thought as well. Here the soup is ready and I love the consistency and I just love everything about this soup, and my husband confirmed it perfect. Like, we are going to add it to our menu or our recipe. Like, this is so perfect. I enjoy this soup, and if you love the soup as well and you have not tried it, go and give it a try. I tell you, will never regret trying this soup. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like, share and subscribe and put on the notification bell in case anytime we put on a new video you will see our video. Don't be confused, we did travel, but through this soup we traveled to the eastern part of Nigeria. Thank you for staying tuned, and I would love to see you all in my next video.
We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Ladyzion, Sweethome. Build a healthy community, one individual at a time.